Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides and then tie it. Now again take small section of the hairs, roll it upward and fix it like this. Now keep repeating the process for few more times and join the hairs. Now at the end we will make the plaits. So first we'll divide the hairs into two parts and then make small sections on the sides and put it in the between like this. After it is done we will fix it at the end using the rubber band, tie the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, roll it and put this hair clip on the hair. Now by taking small sections of the hairs, roll them and fix it inside the clips one by one as we are doing in this video, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Now divide it from the between and then roll it like this. Rotate it for few times and then roll it upward and fix it. So it will make a heart-like shape. Fix the hairs again from the sides. Now after tying it, take small sections from the sides and roll it upward like this and fix it on the sides as shown in the video. Tie them. Keep repeating the process for few more times. Join the hairs in the same manner and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take small section of the hairs like this and make the plaits by taking the hairs from the back. So here we are making the designs. So first we will divide the hairs into two parts like this and then make the plaits on both the sides. Now pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video. After that we will join the hairs together at the end and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie it from the bottom and roll it down and fix it using the hairpin and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together. After rolling it, we will fold it upward to make the bun. Fix it properly and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail, put this bun pin in the hairs. Now rotate it. Now tie the hairs on the top and fold it down and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now on the down part, we will make the plaits like this. Take the hairs one by one from the sides and join them as shown. Roll it to make the bun. Take it to the end and then fold it like this. Now make the plaits on it as shown in the video. Fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.